The busy streets of Kampot Cambodia, riding a bike without a care in the world. My bus ticket. It's my bus ticket from here in Kep. They're coming to pick me up from my hotel and I'm going to be heading to Kampot in Cambodia. Kep has been amazing. Now, despite being told by a load of travellers to just skip it out, there's no clubs, there's no bars, there's no beaches, there's just nothing to do here, I have had a great time. Got about half an hour until my bus comes to pick me up. I better get my stuff all packed away into my bags and then we'll be on our way to Kampot. £5,000 real I have here in cash, roughly £1.10. You may or may not remember, but when I was back in the Philippines, I did a money challenge with 100 pesos, which is basically the same value as 5,000 real. And yeah, I thought we've got a shop down here, we've got like a little tuck shop which sells food and drink. I thought we could go in there and see just how much I can get for 5,000 real. And to be quite honest with you, I am highly doubting it's going to be anywhere near as much food as the Philippines. Before I show you what I got for £1.10 here in Cambodia, I'll quickly remind you that in the Philippines, in Bohol, I got a hot dog, I got a packet of Oreos, I got some cakes. Yeah, I got quite a lot of stuff for my money in the Philippines, whereas here in Kep, I've not got many calories in, that's for sure, but look, that answers your question. I'm sure you've been dying to know. And let's get the bus. Alright, just like that, we have arrived into Kampot. As you can see, I'm on the back of a tuk-tuk. It's only cost 10,000 real, which is, that's about £2. Perfect, we've arrived to the hostel. As you can see, this is the room. We've got obviously a full bunk of 4 people. I am on the lower bunk. Lower bunk is good for me. I am happy to be here. We've got air conditioning, we've got a fan, we've got a load of fancy lights, and as you can see out here as well, a very nice swimming pool. A very nice swimming pool indeed. I'll definitely be giving that a go this afternoon. You can rent a bicycle as well for just $1. I think that's what I'm going to do this afternoon and go for a bit of an explore to see what I can see around here in Kampot, and obviously make some plans for tomorrow. What do I want to get up to tomorrow? It's all something we've got to work out. Swimming pool is very nice but extremely cold. It made me laugh. There's a sign that says no swimming past 11 PM. I don't know who in their right mind would be swimming that late in a pool that cold. But look, we're out here. I've rented another bike. Well, actually rented it this time. Of course, last time I just borrowed it. This time I'm renting it for $2 for 2 days. So the amount of time I'm out here in Kampot, I'm gonna go and see what this place has in store. Appreciate it. So I found a banh mi provider, which is very good. As you can see behind me, I'm gonna tuck into this. I am absolutely starving. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. I'll see you again. I'm quite confident this isn't actually a banh mi. It's just a baguette with some meat and vegetables inside, which looks very good. And not spicy either. I made sure she knew I don't like it spicy. And now I'm gonna have a go on this and see what it's all about. And then I'm gonna go for a bit of a ride down this long road to see where we can end up. What I know about Kampot, there is quite a famous river here that tomorrow I'm gonna be going kayaking on. And I guess it would probably be a good idea to find where that is. Busy streets of Kampot Cambodia, riding a bike without a care in the world. I love this life. If it does look like it's getting a little busy, I'm obviously going to slow it down. Last thing I want to be doing is claiming on any insurance. I don't want that. It quite literally feels like I am just out here riding this bike without a care in the world. There is no one around, nothing but some cows, some dogs. I remember not too long ago I was working a very stressful sales job when my managers were on my back 24/7 about hitting numbers, hitting targets and earning money. This, for me, is what life should be about. We take it all far too seriously in the West. I'm inspired to live like this. Anyhow, I've got a $4 river cruise, a sunset river cruise. Of course, I'm gonna have to park my bike up. I've just bought my ticket from the nice lady in reception. And yeah, I've got to meet the other guys there at 5:10. And yeah, it should be a good day. There's 100% gonna be a very nice sunset. Obviously, there'll be a sunset, but there'll have to be some freak weather for us to not be able to see the sunset. We've made it. We're on top of the boat. As you can see, this is the river. I probably should have worked out what the river's called, but it's the big river here in Kampot, and as you can see, the sun is setting. Just $4 I have paid. That's like £3.20, which is absolutely ridiculous for a 2-hour cruise. That includes a bottle of beer as well, which is just incredible value. But look at this place. This is going to be a really good ride. With that sun setting already, it's going to be a very pretty view. Famous, but that's what I was told. That sunset I've just experienced was worth more than the $4 I've paid for this excursion alone.